Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you that I was already shared before about the Dave Ramsey sir, and he's a millionaire and self-made millionaire, and also he took the podcast of the people who is already a self-made millionaire. So now another he also shared about another podcast of the another multi-millionaire, that is Robert and name I don't know, Robert Allen, in which Robert Allen, who told about that in his podcast, that how the serving is very important, and when we serve others, then we get more in return as compared to who always thinks that about himself, doing all things about him and not cooperate others like that. So he told that serving is most important, and when we serve others, because universe work that way, that he told. And he also told that when we give someone anything and we accept it, that it will come back to us, then it is a very evil idea, because you should be grateful that you have abundance, that you are giving others. So rather just thinking about that, I will give and take back the returns of that, it's not a right thing. If you are abundance, he told, if he told that he feel abundance is so grateful of doing the things, and he felt fulfillment. So Robert Allen shared about the four golden rules of success. He told that the first step is that to find a passion, find a niche, because of that niche you will be able to do something. So it's very important to first find your passion. Then after that, learn the skills what you are good at, and it will align to your goal. That's important. And the third, you just add the value to the people. I mean, adding the value is most important, and you have to find the right mentor, he told. And also, apart from everything, that maybe this work is your destiny that you are doing. So he said all the rules of regarding his success and his thinking. So I'm just telling that he also mentioned about multiple source of income apart from doing just 9 to 5 job. He told that we have to do multiple source of income, multiple streams are there, and always indulge in the side hustle, because if we will do little side hustle, then it will make very big change in our life. So he mentioned about everything. So about side hustle, and about how he created four golden rules, and he shared, and also about the side hustle and everything like that. Robert told about that he did side hustle by teaching others, doing seminars, workshops, and mentorship. Everything he did, and it makes a good big thing in his life. So that's why side hustle is so important. And he also told that when he earn a good income, then he give the charity a 10% to the needy people, because he told that if we will not feel abundance when we not give the others, so 10% at least we should give when we earn something, when we earn good income. That's the thing he told.